Hey, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my new video. From today, we will start the discussion. We will start working on the different SAP S4 HANA sales certifications question and answers. We will try to cover the maximum length. We'll start from the first question. First question is different functions of the delivery type. Select three correct answers. We are having five options here: route determination, storage location, number assignment, partner determination, and item category. Guys, correct answers here are route determination, storage location rule, and number assignment. Partner determination is not regulated by delivery item category. Remember this. Item category determination doesn't happen by using the delivery type. So, yes, route determination, it's a function of delivery type, guys. Storage location determination and number assignment. Second question, what are the different, what all the, what are the packaging material type? First option is FERT, second is SJWA, third is VERP, and fourth is HLV. Guys, FERT is for finished goods, HAWA is trading goods, VERP is the correct answer. It is the packaging material type. HALV is semi-finished good. So we can use the rule of the elimination. We know FERT is finished goods, so it's ruled out. It's eliminated. HAWA we know trading goods. HALV is semi-finished goods. So VERP is the correct answer. Third is delivery item category decides. Select three correct answers. What is or which can be regulated through the delivery item category? First option, if picking is relevant, we can regulate through the delivery item category. If packaging is relevant in the delivery, we can regulate it through the delivery item category. And third, if goods issue is relevant, we can regulate it through the delivery item category. So this is the three different controls that can be regulated through the delivery item category, guys. Availability check, no. Fourth option is not correct. Pricing, usually we don't perform the pricing at the delivery level, so this option anyhow is eliminated, guys. Okay, remember. So correct answers are picking is relevant in the delivery, packaging is relevant in the delivery, and if goods issue is relevant in the delivery. Okay. Fourth question, can you create a outbound delivery manually, or a reference is mandatory? Here in this question, the question is saying, can we create a delivery item category can we create a outbound delivery manually or only with reference to a sales order? So guys, the answer of this is yes, we can create a delivery manually. In case, pay attention here, guys. Okay, in case we are creating a delivery manually, we can use the transaction code VL01N. But in that case, reference is mandatory, guys. Okay, we have to create the outbound delivery with reference to the preceding document, and preceding document will be sales order. But in case if someone is asking, can you create a delivery manually without reference? That is also possible. And for that, we can use the T code VL01NO. So this is a T code we can use to create an outbound delivery manually, and that is also without reference, guys. In case with reference, VL01N, and without reference, VL01NO. This is without reference and VL01N with reference to a sales order, guys. Remember it, okay? Question is saying, can you create a outbound delivery manually or only with reference to a sales order? So always pay attention what question is saying, guys, okay? Many times questions are very tricky. Select the correct answers. This is the next question. Select the correct answers, and there are two correct answers in this. You can change the delivery quantity after the post goods issue. Remember, once we are doing the PGI, system status gets changed, guys. Everything goes grayed out. We cannot do the modification. So first option is eliminated, okay? Second is, you cannot reverse the post goods issue for a delivery. Of course, we can reverse it. How we can reverse it? There is a transaction code VL09. We can use the transaction code and we can reverse the delivery. We can reverse the post goods issue. So that transaction code is used to for the reversal of the goods issue, guys. Okay. Third is, in case in the configuration menu, you can determine whether goods issue can be posted with a manually entered goods issue date. This is possible. Whenever we are changing the goods issue date, it is system allows to do the manual goods posting. So it's very well possible. Goods issue can be done if picking is not completed. In many scenarios, picking is not mandatory, guys. And this setting we can enable at the item category level. So guys, only here remembering the answer is not enough. You should be knowing the concept. You should be knowing the concept why it is not possible, why we cannot do that, or why system is allowing to do that, okay? So this is also mandatory. Next, this is related with the tables, guys. Sales order tables. So there are different tables of the sales order. BVAK is a sales order header table, BVAP is a sales order item table, and BVEP, it's a sales order schedule line table. Header, item, schedule line table. V and RK, there this is not at all any table, guys. And BBRP is a billing item table, okay? So first option, second option, and third option. These three options are the correct answers. VNRK, remember, there is no table naming VNRK. VVRP, of course, it's a billing item table, okay? Moving on, delivery tables. You need to select here two correct answers. Here examiner can ask you select the order tables and select three correct answers. Three correct answers. So you should be remembering this. If you are knowing this, then only you can attempt this. Delivery tables. Select two correct answers. Here examiner can write BVRP and BVAK as well. Okay, BVAP. You need to select two correct answers. You can select if you are knowing LIKP is delivery header table. Remember, LIPS is delivery item table. If you are knowing the table details, guys, then only you can remember. Okay, you can attempt the correct answers. BVAK, sales order header table. BVRK, billing header table. BVRP, billing item table. BVAP, sales order item table. Okay, next. From where system determines if it is order related billing or delivery related billing. Guys, this control we are having in the sales document type. When we navigate the sales document type controls, there we are having the option to select whether this process is order related or this process is delivery related. So we are very well having this option available at the sales document type control. So correct answer is the first one, sales document type. Question number 9, Performa invoice types. You need to select here the two different billing document types which can be used as a performer invoice type. So billing type or invoice types both are one and the same, interchangeable terms. So F2 is a standard billing type, remember guys. F5 is a performer invoice. F8 is a performer invoice. I have not seen F3 any as an invoice type. Okay, I have not seen that. Credit memo, this is the invoice type for credit memo, and this is the DR is the invoice type for debit memo. So we are having the two correct answers, F5 and F8. How you can see that? You can go to the VOFA transaction code. There you can see the list of the different invoices, and you can very well select, you can very well read which all the different invoice types are available. Some important invoice types I will cover later, but these are the important invoice types: F2, F5, F8, CR, DR. F5 and F8 are the performer invoices. It should be for the order related and delivery related. Okay. Next question. Sales organization can be assigned to, select one correct option. Guys, we are having the option here, multiple company codes, single company code, single plant, multiple plant. So remember, we cannot assign the one sales organization to multiple company codes. We can assign one sales organization uniquely to one company code. One code can have multiple sales organization assigned. One company code can have multiple sales organization assigned, but one sales organization is uniquely assigned to only one company code, remember. So second option is the correct one, since we need to select only one correct options. Guys, this is, we have covered 10 questions today. We will reconvene. We will discuss again in the next video for the further questions. Till that time, if you have liked this video, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of the new upcoming videos, guys. Thank you everyone. Happy learning and take care. I will see you in my next video, guys.